What up, guys? I will show you how to make a machine gun always because I want machine guns. You see that?
Free fireworks, guys. Free fireworks.
It's so easy.
Let's try this out. First, get the elytra.
You need some lever, grass,
You can make a treasure
redstone,
cap of this.
torch, redstone, and then
Red
red
dragon
Peter.
wings.
Then
Watch this, guys. I'm gonna
all
F5
you need to do is this. This is so easy.
You can fly.
Hi
This,
YouTube.
guys. Make another video.
Like
First,
that.
like this.
Put some
See that, guys?
redstone
You
there.
can fly.
And just
But
that.
make sure to don't be last and it's so laggy.
And
Can you help me?
just post the video.
Ah,
And we need some lever, guys.
my house is gone.
That's all your fault because you want some elytra.
Can you help me, George?
I'm recording. Help.
Bye. Alright, back to game, guys. This is a cheat.
Then kill.
Kill. Let's kill ourselves. If it works. And then we spawn
Guys,
again.
it's laggy.
And you're on
We
new
can get some arrows on the
Yes. In a whole new world.
other. Then this is so fast, not fast.
My house. Where's my
You see, it's
house?
so fast.
My house is gone.
Bye.
Can you help me? My house is